Okay, look at this one. This will be your activity today. This is your activity.
Only this page?
No, later, wait. This is your activity today. And this will be your homework today. There is an activity and homework. There you go. Okay?
Okay.
That's it. Homework and activity, the same, okay? Now look at this one,
Mr. The
one
first
by one.
Mr.
Oh,
The first picture is activity.
yes, the activity
Second
today,
one homework.
okay? The second one is a homework and same time activity also. If we can finish early, if we can finish early the lesson, so we can have those two lessons, okay? Hello, Rital. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr.
Okay, as I have said to your classmate, go and look the lesson in the Google Classroom, the revision sheets and the worksheets, okay?
Yes, I know. I'm checking it right now.
Okay, now look at this one. Look at this one, all of you. Now, I would like you to give me the name of each solid
Mister,
figures.
can I
Yeah.
say the first one?
One by one, I will call you. All of you will be going to solve. Okay, we'll be going to say the answer. Okay? Now
Okay.
I would like you to write the correct answer, of course. Okay. Look at this one. Oh, number one, Sarah. What? Oh, first give me the type, if it is a prism or if it is a pyramid. Okay?
Okay.
You have to
Okay.
remember, you are going to answer me either like this one. There are two types of answer. First,
Prism?
you wait, we're going to tell me if it is a prism or pyramid. And then tell me the name of the solid figure. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's do the first one. Number one. What is number one?
Prism?
It is a pyramid. Number one is a pyramid. And what is the name of the figure number one?
Pentagon?
Pentagonal pyramid. Okay, you have to remember. Okay? Pyramid, it is a pyramid and a pentagonal pyramid. Okay?
Okay.
So that would be your two answer. Did you get it? Pentagonal pyramid. So you're going to answer me
Mr.
two.
Right? Right in the notebook.
Yes. Yes, so that you will know. So you're going to give me two types of answer, okay? The type of a solid figure and the name of a solid figure. Oh, what about this one, Muhammad Yasser? What kind of solid figure is number two? Is it a prism or is it a pyramid?
Prism.
Prism. Very good. And
What happened?
what kind of solid figure is number two?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoidal prism. Okay. Trapezoidal prism. Next one. This one, Rivan. What do you call this one? What do you call it? Is it a prism or a pyramid?
Prism?
It is a prism. First one. Okay, Muhammad Yazir. I would like you to solve the first one. Okay?
The first
Now, so
one.
letter B. Letter B. I would like you to solve the letter B. Okay? So you have
It's
6 times 8 times 8. So what would be your volume?
wait. I'm
Muhammad Yasser?
calculating.
Mister, B or A?
Muhammad Yasser. Are you Muhammad Yasser?
No,
Muhammad Yasser.
what I don't know.
384.
So we do have 6 times 8 times 8
384
is
cubic
300.
centimeters.
Very good. So 384 centimeters cubic. Okay. Now, what is the height in your letter B? What is the height of the figure, Muhammad Yasser? What is your height?
8
It's
centimeters.
8. Very good. As I have said, width and length could interchange. Okay? Understand?
Okay, Mister, you are solving worksheets?
Huh? Yeah, we are solving the
You're
worksheet. We are solving the worksheets. Okay?
I'm
Now,
doing it by myself.
yes. Oh, now letter A, Sarah. Sarah?
Okay.
Oh, now let us solve this one. Letter A. So we have 4 times 2 times 1. What would be your volume, Sarah?
8.
It's 8. 8 what? 8?
8 centimeter.
8 centimeters cube. Okay. What would be the height of your solid figure, Sarah?
1.
What is it? 1. Okay. Now, you know now how to identify the following following subjects, okay, following measurements, okay? That's it and that's it. Now letter C. Letter C, who came the third one? Oh, Rital. Rital, you came third in the class. So I would like you to solve the letter C. Letter C, Rital. So you have 3 times 3 times 3. How much you will get? Rital? What is 3 times 3 times 3, Rital? Rital? Can you hear me, Rital? Rital? Oh, let's call on Rivan. Rivan, can you hear me, Rivan? Rivan?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So look at this one, letter C. If you have 3 by 3 by 3 or 3 times 3 times 3, what would be your volume?
Equal 27.
27 what? 27 centimeters cube. What is your height? What is the height of your figure?
3.
3. Very good. Now let's go with Omar. Omar, can you hear me, Omar? Oh, now Omar, let us solve letter D. If you have 5 times 3 times 5, how much is your volume? How much is your volume, Omar? Omar, quiet, all of you. We're going to listen at Omar. What is your volume, Omar? 5 times 3 times 5. It is? It is 75. 75 centimeters cube. Okay? Because 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times
Mister,
5
what is C? What is letter C?
Letter C is 27 centimeters cube. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3, 27. Okay? So what is your height, Omar? What is the height in figure D? Omar, what is the height? Omar, what is your height? What is the height of your figure? It is 5. Okay, now let's do this one. Oh, let's go back again to Sarah. Sarah,
Okay.
letter E. Oh, if you have 10
10 multiplied
times
by 4 multiplied
times,
by 10 is
times
equal
5.
to 100
Okay, so the answer is 200. What would be your unit?
centimeters.
Centimeters cubes. Remember to cube because we are in volume. Now, what is the height of your figure?
5.
5. Very good. That's it. So that's how you identify the height or the dimension of each solid figure. Okay? Now
Okay.
letter F. Letter F. Rivan. Rivan?
Yes, Mr.
Oh, what would be the dimension of your solid figure, Rivan?
We'll make 12 times 2 times 2.
Okay, 12 times 2 times 2. So what would be your volume?
48.
48 what?
48 centimeter cubic.
Very good. What is the height of your solid figure?
12.
12. Perfect. Now, how about Rital? Rital, can you hear me? Rital? Rital?
She's muted here.
Yes, Mister. Yes, yes, right.
Okay. What would be the dimension of letter G? What are the dimension? We do have. Hey, Rital. Look at letter G. Look at letter G. What are the dimension? We do have 7 times 7 times 1. So, Rital, what is 7 times 7? What is 7 times 7, Rital?
49.
49 times 1. 49 times 1. It is
49.
49. What is the measurement or the unit that you will be
The
using?
centimeter.
Centimeters cube. What is the height of your figure? What is the height? 1. Very good. Muhammad Yasser.
Yes.
Solve letter H. What would be the dimension of your figure?
4 times 4 times 6.
4 times 4 times 6. So what would be your volume?
96 centimeter cubic.
Very good. It is 96 centimeters cubic. And what is the height of your figure?
6 centimeters.
6 centimeters. And for Omar? Omar.
He muted
Omar?
his microphone.
No, he can. Oh, Omar. Omar is here. What would be the dimension of your solid figure, Omar? What? What would be your letter I? Omar, I cannot hear you. Letter I. Letter I. What would be the dimension of your solid figure? It's letter I. It's letter I. What would be the dimension? What are your dimensions? 10 by 10. Like that. That would be the dimension, Omar. And what would be your volume? 1,000 what? What would be your unit? Centimeters cube. And what is the height of your figure, Omar? What is the height? It's 10. Correct. So that's how you do. And solving a volume, you have to identify the dimension. You have to know the height. And of course, you're going to solve properly the volume by multiplying. Understand? Start. Since Muhammad Yasser is the first one who came in the class, let's start the
Mister?
first one. Yes.
Okay. No problem.
Okay. Now let's start. Muhammad Yasser, what are the dimension of your number one, figure number one?
7 times 7 times
7
40
times
times 20.
40 times
20.
20. Okay, now let us solve. What is your answer? 7 times 40 is
280.
280. 280 times 20 is
So let me take time, a little time.
280. The technique, remove the 0. 28 multiply 20.
56.
Oh, then add, go back.
5,600.
Oh, like that.
5,600.
So the answer is 5,600. What is your unit?
Centimeter cubic.
Cubic centimeters cubic. Okay. Number 2, Sarah. Number 2, Sarah, what are the dimensions that you have?
47
You do have 47 times
10
10 times.
time 14.
What's this? Wait. Who is this student? Wait. Just going to read this one only, okay? The message. 14. Okay, now what is it now? What is your answer, Sarah? Oh, 47 multiply 10. Sarah?
470.
470. Correct. 470 multiply 14. 470 multiply 14.
1,570.
Very
So draw
good.
the cubes, draw the rectangles and cubes.
Mm-hmm.
We need to draw
6,000.
them.
No need. 6,580 centimeters cube. Correct. Now, let's go to Rivan. Rivan. Oh, it's very easy, Rivan. What are your dimensions, Rivan?
Yes,
Number
Mister.
What are your dimensions in number 3?
20 times 20 times 20.
Very good. 20 times 20 times 20. Oh, what is 20 times 20, Rivan?
400.
400. Very good. Oh, 400 times 20 is?
600.
Oh,
6,000.
2 times 4.
8.
Oh, 8.
8,000.
So it is
8,000
8,000. So what is your unit?
centimeter cubic.
Centimeters cubic. Very good. Oh, now, what about this one? Oh, let's go with, this time, Sarah. Sarah. Number 4. Sarah. Sarah.
Yes,
Oh, what are the dimensions in number 4, Sarah?
10 multiply
Multiply 45 times
times 4.
21. That's 21. 10 by 45 by 21. Okay? That's number 4. Oh, now, tell me, what is 10 multiply 45?
440.
Oh, it's 450.
Mister, I can't see the screen.
Huh? You
I
can,
can't see
it's
the
sharing.
screen.
It's sharing. Oh, 450 times 21.
Maybe that's on my phone.
Yeah. 450 times 21 is?
Mister, I will leave the comment.
Okay, Rital is joining. Hello, Rital. Good morning. So you can see the screen now. You can see the screen? You can
Yes.
see the screen. Okay. So, let us start now. So, since Muhammad Yasser is the first one, let's start. Okay, what are your dimension? What are your dimension?
14 times 3 times 9.
14 times 3 times 9. So what is your answer? 14 times 3, 14 times 3,
378. 378.
378. Multiply, 14 times 3, 378?
No, the total.
Ah, okay. So 14 times 3 is 42. Times 9 is 378. Okay? So you have to remember that one. 378. That is inches cubic. Okay? What about this one? Yeah, Sarah. What are your dimension? Dimension, Sarah. Sarah,
Yes, Mister.
what
6
are your
multiplied
dimension?
by 4 multiplied by 8.
Very good. 6. 6 times 4 times 8. So what would be your volume?
Volume is 192.
109. Oh, sorry. 192. What is your unit? Centimeters
Centimeter
cube.
cube.
Okay. So now, what about you, Rital? Rital, what are your dimensions here?
11, 11, and 3.
11 times 11 times 3. Oh, what is 11 times 11?
131
121 times 3.
is
It is 300.
366, 63
363 centimeters
square.
cube. Okay. What about here? The next number. Yes, sir. What are your
It is
dimensions?
3 times 7 times 10.
Correct. 3 times 7 times 10, or 3 by 7 by 10. So what would be your volume?
It is
3 times 7.
210.
210. What is your unit?
I can't see the unit.
The unit is centimeters cube. Okay? Now,
Yes.
what about this one? Sarah. Sarah, what are your dimension?
6 multiplied
6
by 12
by
multi
12
multiplied by 4.
multiplied by 4. So what would be your dimension?
Uh,
What would be your dimension?
288
288. And what would be your
centimeter
unit?
cube.
Oh, that is meter only.
Yes, sir.
Meters. Yes, that's meters. Meters
Meter.
cubic. Okay. This one, Rital. What are your dimension?
4, 8, and 7. 4
Right.
multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7.
Very good. Okay. So what is 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7?
Okay, 4
4 multiplied by 8 is 32. So what is 32 multiplied 7?
multiplied by 6.
It's by the answer is 200.
14.
224. 224 meters cube. Okay? Next number. Oh, next number, yes, sir. What are your dimension?
6 times 3 times 3.
Very good. 6 times 3 times 3, or 6 by 3 by 3. Oh, what is your answer? It's very easy.
It is 54.
The answer is 54. Very good. 54, what is your unit? Yes.
Wait, only I will make the voice louder.
Okay, it's up to you. Okay, now here I will be going to solve the surface area and the volume. Okay, I would like you to give me the answer. I will be going to give you the surface area formula and the volume.
Mister,
Okay.
can you do for us one?
Yes. Okay, then just give me the answer. Now look at this one. Let's start for the surface area. SA is surface area. Okay, in surface area, you will be going to multiply by 2, but you have to put a bracket. Okay, that one. It's like this, 5 times 3, 5 times 3. Okay, look at this one, 5 times 3, parenthesis, plus 3 times 7, as if you are just only rotating the numbers, plus, okay, 7 times 5. Okay, 7 times 5. So
Mister,
that, yes,
why we write two? From where we
because
get two?
because this one, it means that you have two sets of length, two sets of width, and two sets of height. Okay? That's why to separate the two.
So, Mr.
And
Can I
now,
repeat? Mr. Can I repeat another time? I didn't understand what are you doing.
just listen first. This is recorded. Okay? And then for the volume, you do have multiplication only. 5 times 3 times 7. There you go. Okay? Yeah. The same thing with this one. We are just going to rotate the numbers. Okay? Surface area. Surface area. Okay, here. We use two because we have we have two sets of length, two sets of width, and two sets of height. Okay, again, put a bracket, multiply. 8 times 7. Is there someone talking? Can you tell them to quiet first?
Mister,
Can you tell them to make their voice small? Okay. Now, so 8 times 7, then plus 7 times 5, parenthesis, plus 5 times 8.
Mister,
Okay?
we will not
Yes.
bring 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 that equal what? We will write the answer or no?
Yes, you're going to write the answer. That's the surface area. Now, for the volume,
Mister,
okay? Yes.
Mister, I
Yes.
I will study for the exam from the worksheet that have 4 pages or that have 10 pages.
Everything.
The
Also
two.
from the book so that you will know more. Okay?
But like in
It's
the book, the
hard.
same lessons.
Yeah, the same lessons only. That's why, so that you will learn more. Okay?
We have
Okay.
to solve it or it is solved.
Yeah, it is solved already. Some of them are not solved just because for you to practice. Okay?
Okay.
Now let's
Okay.
go back here. Now this one, find the volume. Or this time, surface
What
area and
is
the
this
volume.
that you're solving it?
What?
What is that one that you are solving it now?
This is the surface area and the volume. That's why you have to
That
listen it
is
first.
the
Okay.
revision.
Yes, these are the worksheets. So you have 7 times 5. Listen now, okay? So you have here parenthesis 7 times 5 parenthesis
Uh,
plus 5. Let me
5
just the same.
plus
5
times
plus 5
bracket
times
times
8. Okay.
bracket.
Plus parenthesis 8 times 7. Okay, that one. Now, for the volume. Volume, we do have 7
7
times
times
7
5.
times 5 times 8. There you go. Okay. Now, the same thing here. Find the surface area and find the volume. The same formula. That is the formula we will be using only. Surface area. Okay. Multiply by 2, then bracket, then parenthesis. We do have 8 times 2, close parenthesis, plus parenthesis 2 multiply 7, close parenthesis, plus open parenthesis 7 times 8, close parenthesis, close bracket. Okay. Now for the volume, we do have 8 8 times 2 times 7. There you go. Next one.
Sir, can I ask
Here.
question number 3?
Wait.
V.
Okay, now we do have here surface area. Surface area. Okay, we
Mister,
do
that you
have.
are doing it now is the answer?
Oh, not yet. The formula first. 8 times 4, close parenthesis, plus, close parenthesis, 4 times 1, plus, open parenthesis. Okay, then 1 times 8, close parenthesis, close bracket. For the volume, we do have parenthesis 8 times 4
Times
times 1.
bracket.
Okay? And the last one, and the last one again, surface
Sir, I
area.
don't understand it.
Quiet first. Okay? Listen first. 2, open bracket, open parenthesis, 1 times 5, close parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, 5 times 4, close parenthesis, plus, close parenthesis, 4 times 1, then close bracket. Now let's do the volume. So in the volume, you have 1 times 5 times 4. Okay, now let us solve. Look at this one. I will be going to put here the solving. Okay, so that all of you will be going to learn. So this one. Okay, in number 1. Okay. Okay, we have here number 1. Okay, look at this one. Oh, look at this one, huh? Oh, look at this one. Let us solve. You have 2, right? Now, parenthesis. 5 multiply 3.
5 multiplied 3 is equal 15.
15. Plus 3 multiply 7.
Is equal
21.
21. Plus 7 times 5.
25.
35. And then we are going to add all the numbers. 15 plus 21.
36.
36 plus 35.
71.
42.
7,
Wait,
37.
wait.
15 plus 21, 36. 36 plus 35 is
71.
71. Now, that 2 will be used to multiply your answer in your multiplication. 2 multiply 71 is
142.
142. So that would be your surface area, 142. And of course, the volume, 7
Okay.
or 5 multiply 3.
Mister, I write all of the. I understand what you write in the beginning, and I write all of them
That's
like you.
good. And then you will be going to get that video, okay? Oh, now 5 multiply 3. 5 multiply 3,
15.
15 times 7.
Needs multiplication.
40.
15 times 7 is
Wait.
105, right?
Yes.
So that would be your
Yes.
volume. Now, what about this one?
Mister, but surface area is different from the volume?
Yes, because surface area is only squared while volume is cubic, okay? So here you are going to have 142 squared, While in volume, you have cubic, cube. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Cubic, cubic. That is the unit. Squared, cubic. Squared, you're going to have 2 up, while in cubic, you're going to have 3 up.
What is this
Okay?
that is in the up?
Squared, SQ, squared. Okay?
Okay.
Now, this one. Oh, look at this one. Let us solve. Let us do this one. Oh, again, 2. Multiply. Say 8 multiply 7.
8 multiplied
Uh,
7.
Anyone can answer.
56.
56 plus 7 multiply 5.
35.
35 plus 8
40.
multiply 5, 40. Okay. Anyone can answer as I told you, ah. Okay, let us add all the numbers and then multiply by 2. Oh, 56 plus 31.
What?
56 plus 31.
31.
35, not 31.
35, sorry. 56 plus 35.
8.
It is
91.
91. 91 plus 40.
91.
131.
131. Now multiply 131 by 2. You will get
262.
262. Very good. And your answer is 262 squared units. Okay? That is squared, ah. Squared units. I'm going to write here units. Squared units. Squared units. Cubic units.
Sir, we need to write all of this.
Yes.
Mister, can I write only the answer?
It's up to you.
Like I write it all that you write it
Oh,
now,
this
but
one. Oh, this one. 8 times 7.
is equal 56.
56.
56. 56 times 5.
30.
It's
5,000.
280. 280 cubic units. Okay?
Okay.
Now, let's go now with the next one. Okay, this one. Actually, the solving is very easy, especially if you know how to follow that one, ah.
It's
Look at that
very
one.
long.
It's very long, yes, but it is very easy because it is just only about multiplication. Okay, now by 2. Again, 7 multiply 5.
35.
35. I think it's just the same answer here. 5 multiply 8.
5 multiply 8.
40.
40.
40. Wait, I think they are just the same number. Okay. Actually, this one is the same number as that one. I knew it. So they
What?
are just the same answer. Although they are different they are different, but look at this one. There is 8 times 7, 8 times 7. 7 times 5, 5 times 8. So they are
The
just the same,
same answer.
right? Oh,
Yes.
look. So you can copy that one. Then, oh, if you want, we can solve that one. Then we have 56. So therefore, we do have 2, then 131. The same answer is equal to 262 squared units. And here you're going to have 280 cubic units. Okay? Next one. Okay, this one is different. I think this is different. Let us
Yes.
solve. Okay,
8
let us solve
multiplied by
this
2
one. Yes, wait.
is equal 16.
Oh, here. Okay, that's correct. So I have 2 parentheses, that's 16, plus
And 2 multiplied by 7 is equal 14.
14, plus
And 7 multiplied by 8 is equal 56.
56. Correct. Now let us add all the numbers, then multiply by
Okay.
2. Okay? Oh, 16 plus 14?
Equal weight equal 80.
30. 30. 16 plus 14 is 30. Oh, 30 plus 56
80.
is 86. Okay. So
80.
86 multiply 2 is
86 multiplied by 2.
172.
172.
Correct. Squared units. Okay, squared units.
Unit.
Okay, units. Now let us do the volume. 8 multiply 2.
8 multiplied by 2 is equal, wait, 16.
16 times 7.
Wait,
16 times 7 is how much? 100.
12.
12. 112 cubic units. Okay, that's it. Okay, now that one. I would like you to solve the rest, the two numbers. Okay. And then I
Mister,
would
will
like
you
you
send